Assalamu alaikum. How are you? My name is Ali Zuchwani and today I'm coming with new course. Course name is Digital Literacy in English. For those who love to listen in English, this course is especially for you. So what is digital literacy and how can you understand importance of digital technologies in different era? You may be age of 5, 6 or different ages group of college, university, or maybe something you are a senior citizen or father, mother or independent, but still you need to understand the process of technology in this era. Why? This is something that we are living in 21st century, and 21st century we have to learn about different technologies and different ideas. Something that if we want to email someone, so what we can do? Simple. We go to use the different email platform like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail. And if you have to make call without from dialing from internet, so what we learn? Mobile phone. If we want to connect WhatsApp, what we have to learn? Of course, WhatsApp and usage of internet, and there are number of things. In this course, I'm going to guide you each and everything. How can you can be learn and what you need to learn and upgrade yourself as a technology. And you might be know the importance or listen many times, but I love to encourage and help you and guide you this process. And what is in this course all about? What is the Google? What about the Google Assistant can help you for better life? How can you make better opportunity for your lives thing? And there is much more interesting about different websites that help you to upgrade your intellectual level, your wisdom, and more many things. And how can you transfer your money and you can request money from online and different platform. So let's start it and learn more about it. Thank you.